A virgin lighter technique is used in this exercise to achieve the lightest range of hair colors. During a double process, the hair is decolorized or lightened to a desired degree, then a toner is applied to neutralize unwanted tones. A light blonde is achieved by pre-lightening this medium field to palest yellow and then toning it to achieve a light neutral blonde. This is often referred to as a double process color design. The finish shows an even light neutral blonde tone from base to ends. A repetition of color is achieved on this combination of uniformly layered and graduated lengths. The art shows that the head will be sectioned in quadrants for control. 1/8 inch horizontal partings will be used to apply lightener in the back, and slight diagonal back partings will be used in the front. Section the head into 4 sections, from the center front hairline to the center back, and from the top of the head to each ear. After sectioning, apply barrier cream around the hairline and to the tops of the ears to protect the skin. Begin in the back right section by releasing a 1/8 inch horizontal parting in the nape, which is usually the darkest area. Apply lightener from approximately 1/2 inch away from the scalp through the ends, thoroughly saturating the strands. Then place cotton at the base to prevent seepage. Work toward the top using the same technique. Subdivide wider partings and use 2 pieces of cotton as needed. Maintain consistent 1/8 inch horizontal partings, applying lightener generously to each strand to complete the section. Repeat the same application technique on the opposite side, starting at the nape and working toward the top to complete the entire back section. Move to the front. On one side, take a 1/8 inch slightly diagonal back parting at the bottom and apply lightener 1/2 inch away from the base through the ends, being sure to thoroughly saturate the strand. Continue to place cotton at the base to prevent seepage. Continue to use the same technique, working toward the top. Subdivide wider partings for control. Work to the center sectioning line using consistent 1/8 inch slight diagonal back partings and the same application technique. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side to complete the front sections. At this point, cotton should still be placed securely at the base of each parting. strand test for the desired degree of decolorization. Remove the lightener with a damp towel to clearly see the results. Reapply the lightener as necessary. When the hair has decolorized halfway to the desired degree of lightness, remove the cotton beneath the first parting at the top of the back right section. Apply lightener at the base to the top and bottom of the strand. Continue, removing the cotton from subsequent partings and applying lightener using the same technique. Apply generously to ensure even application. Work toward the bottom of the section, applying lightener to the top and bottom of each strand to complete the section. Next, carefully bring each parting down. Repeat the same technique to apply lightener to the base of each parting on the other side. Then carefully bring these lengths down. Move to the front and complete both sides using the same technique. Work from the top to the bottom to complete both sections. Cross-check the application using vertical partings to ensure complete coverage. Then, reapply lightener to the entire hairline. Once the desired degree of decolorization is achieved, rinse, shampoo, and dry the hair. Be sure that the desired degree of lightness is achieved before applying the toner. Note that the decolorization should be uniform from base to ends. The art shows that 1/4 inch horizontal partings will be used to apply the toner in the back, and 1/4 inch diagonal back partings will be used in the front. Use the tip of the applicator bottle to release a 1/4 inch horizontal parting at the top of one of the back sections. Apply the toner from base to ends to the top and bottom of the strand. Work the color into the strand using your thumb and the tip of the applicator bottle. Work toward the bottom of the section using the same technique. As you work, subdivide wider areas for control. After completing the section, bring the lengths down. Repeat the same technique on the other side to complete the entire back section. Move to the front and use 1/4 inch diagonal back partings and the same application technique, starting at the top of each section. Generously saturate each strand while applying. Use the tip of the bottle to work the toner through the lengths and direct the hair away from the face. Next, apply toner around the entire hairline to ensure even coverage. Process according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then rinse, shampoo, condition, and finish as desired. The finish shows a beautiful light neutral blonde with even, consistent color throughout. Careful application and processing helps keep the hair in optimum condition.